Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by matching the compressor to the gun. Check tank volume and set regulator to about 20–30% above the gun's rated pressure so airflow stays stable. Once done, install the correct nozzle size and strain paint through a fine mesh to avoid clogs. Make sure to put on a respirator and gloves and tape off the work area. You're starting real work now. Assemble hose fitting snugly and bleed the line briefly to clear moisture before connecting the gun. You now focus on atomization. Set the fluid, fan, and air controls to middle positions and prime with a test spray on cardboard about 6–8 inches away. Once done, observe droplet size and edge definition. Soft edges mean too much air or distance, while runs mean too much fluid. Make sure to adjust pressure in small 5 psi increments and tweak the fluid needle until you see an even mist. After dialing in, test multiple passes to confirm. You finish by applying 3 wet coats with roughly 50% overlap, keeping a steady parallel motion at 6–8 inches from the surface. Consistency and speed makes the difference. Once done, flash each coat 5 to 10 minutes before recoating and lower pressure slightly for the last pass to smooth the finish. If you run into orange peel, spitting, or sputter, make sure to clean or replace the nozzle, restrain the paint, and purge moisture from the compressor line. Those fixes resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.